Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, let's see about forms in HTML. So let we start with doctype, means it stands for document type declaration of HTML tag. I have placed the HTML tag and head tag. Inside head tag, you will have meta charset and title tag. So now let's keep the title as HTML forms. Now it's time to place body tag. Inside the body tag is where we can place the forms tag. So guys, remember these. So, guys, inside the form, where you can define the label and input type. In these video our aim is to create the two label. First label is the first name and second label is last name. Let's do it. So at last, let's add submit button with input type and value as submit so that our form gets complete. And next close all the closing tag and let's check whether we have placed all tags correctly once and twice before saving. As you all know, HTML is not case sensitive. But let's be cautious. Remember that to save your file with .html or .htm extension. So now let's open the saved file browser and see our output. Yes, our output is correct. Hope you guys like the video, share your comments about the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.